Every toothpaste journey begins here. Animal bones arrive in bulk, not randomly, but measured, logged, and tracked.
Factories don't trust raw materials blindly. Sorting removes metal, dirt, and unusable waste because one bad batch can
Sterilization isn't optional. Extreme heat kills bacteria, removes odor, and makes bones safe for
Manual breaking would take days. Machines reduce bones to uniform granules in minutes, saving labor, time, and money. This is where bones become useful. Fine calcium powder is created here, the backbone of toothpaste abrasives.
Quality control happens mid-process, not at the end. Any impurity detected here saves thousands in rejected finished tubes.
Large-scale production depends on buffer storage. Silos keep machines running non-stop, even if supply trucks are delayed.
Toothpaste isn't just powder. Liquids control texture, moisture, and shelf life, and machines measure them to the milliliter.
This chamber replaces dozens of workers. Perfect mixing prevents air bubbles, texture defects, and brand-damaging complaints. The toothpaste is ready, but production doesn't rush. Holding tanks balance speed with stability before packaging begins.
Speed starts before filling. Tubes are fed in bulk, aligned automatically, because stopping a filler for manual loading costs money every minute.
Orientation machines remove human error. Every tube faces the same direction, ready for mistake-free filling.
This is the heart of production. Machines inject exact quantity, no more, no less.
Factories don't argue with mistakes. Anything outside tolerance is removed instantly, before it reaches the brand. Sealing locks freshness. Heat replaces glue, faster, cleaner, and stronger for long shelf life.
Every tube carries accountability. Batch codes protect the company if anything goes wrong in the market.
Even caps are timed. Loose caps cause leaks. Tight caps slow consumers. Machines balance both.
This is the last human-machine handshake. Eyes and sensors together protect brand image.
Automation here multiplies profit. One line packs what dozens of workers couldn't, without slowing.
Secondary packing protects during transport and prepares the product for wholesale scale.
Robots don't get tired. Palletizing runs non-stop, cutting labor cost and preventing handling damage.
Counting by hand invites mistakes. Sensors group cartons perfectly because distributors pay for numbers, not promises.
Robots don't get tired. Palletizing runs non-stop, cutting labor cost and preventing handling damage.
One loose carton can ruin a shipment. Wrapping secures profit before the truck even moves.
Production isn't complete until it's counted digitally. Inventory is money, tracked in real time. Even toothpaste needs protection. Controlled storage prevents leakage, separation, and customer complaints.
Random audits keep machines honest. One failure here can stop dispatch instantly.
Factories don't ship randomly. Dispatch planning saves fuel, time, and delivery cost. Balanced loading prevents transit damage and avoids transport penalties. Once sealed, responsibilities shift. Documentation protects both factory and buyer. At the end of the day, numbers decide success. Speed, quality, and profit measured every hour.
Factories hate waste. Even leftover paste is recovered because small losses multiply at large scale.
Rejected products never go back to market. Destruction protects brand trust.
Waste still has value. Recycling reduces disposal cost and increases overall margin.
Cleaning without stopping production lines saves hours. Machines clean themselves.
Production never waits for people. Systems ensure shifts change without stopping flow.
Electricity is a hidden cost. Monitoring keeps profit from leaking silently.
Machines fail quietly. Preventive checks stop breakdowns before production loss.
Downtime is expensive. Ready spares keep lines running. Every slowdown is visible. Data exposes inefficiency instantly. Factories evolve daily. Small improvements compound into massive profit. Speed doesn't come from fast machines alone. It comes from synchronization. A single mismatch can slow down the entire line.
Changing a flavor or variant doesn't stop the line. The software updates the recipe, and the machines follow. Multiple Colgate variants, same factory. Fast changeovers allow producing more brands on a single line.
Counterfeit toothpaste harms the market. These hidden marks quietly protect the Colgate brand.
Regulations follow every Colgate tube. Documentation runs silently in the background.
Humans can introduce contamination. Zones and access controls reduce this risk.
Here, every mistake shows its cost. When cost is visible, control improves. AI warns before a defect occurs. Prevention is cheaper than inspection. Smart factories leave space for the future. Expansion happens without chaos. This is where decisions are made, how much to produce and how much to earn.
Every Colgate tube must be perfect. Integrity checks ensure no compromises reach the market.
Automation speeds up secondary packaging while maintaining precision.
Every Colgate box carries its identity. Batch codes ensure traceability.
Precision matters. Every tube meets exact weight and volume standards.
Pallets are prepared for safe storage and transport, reducing handling errors.
Colgate products are tracked at every stage. Smart inventory prevents stockouts.
From factory to retailer, every Colgate shipment is tracked for timely delivery. Customer feedback is analyzed continuously to improve quality and prevent recurring issues.